Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about right up on the menu. So this is the right option on the Act menu. First of all, when I look at this, it really makes me think of the years that I've been using Act, because there's certain things in here that frankly I never do anymore, just based on the nature of my business. For example, you can do letters in here, memos, fax cover pages. You can fax some things with the proper software. But so much today is done via email that there's so many things here that I don't even use. Having noted that, if I'm going to send an email, I typically won't come here. I will just click on the email icon on the ribbon or toolbar below the menu. So I don't even come in here. If I'm going to send an email message from template, yes, you can create templates in Act. But the thing about Act is many of us use this with Microsoft Outlook. We use the combination of the two. And if you set up Act properly with Microsoft Outlook, there are certain things you can do in Microsoft Outlook so much easier than the steps in which you take here. So I have some suggestions for that. So if you find you're in this area a lot using, especially if you're sending like a single email from a template, please reach out to me because I have some suggestions for you that I think can make this a lot easier. If you want to write a letter, you can click on letter. It will open up the letter template. The letter template reads from the My record all of your contact information to address it as coming from you. You can write a memo. You can write a fax cover page, although I can't remember the last time I sent a fax. Or if you're trying to write something that's a template that you don't see in this list, you'd click on Other Document from Template. You can create a brand new document from scratch, a new email template, and you can edit existing templates. You can also do a mail merge. Now, the one thing I'll tell you about a mail merge is one of the things you can do is you can send a mail merge to email. So behind the scenes, you could create a mail merge so a lot of emails go out, but they can be individualized. They can be sort of a custom template. The dilemma a lot of times people have with that is depending on the setup of your email software in your office, whether you be an individual or maybe at a bigger company, the number of emails you can send out in a day might be somewhat limited. So you do want to be aware of that. In other words, don't sit here and think you're going to send out 2,000 emails, because there might be some restrictions not only on the number of emails you can send, but also on the way Act is going to handle that. Can your software, can the strength of your computer handle sending 2,000 emails? I'm using that as an extreme. It's just something you want to be aware of. You can also do a mail merge and create a template and create a mail merge that you can print out. So if you wanted to send out, letters to clients, you could do that as well. So there's a lot of things in the right menu. A lot of things have changed in the way you can do things because email has become so prevalent that this is sort of an interesting area because, honestly, I barely use this area. But I wanted to point it out to you just to give you some insights and feedback. And if you have any questions on any of this stuff, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.